So, do I need a good reason to divorce my spouse in Oklahoma? Hi, I'm Ty Smith, Oklahoma City area attorney with Worth Law, and the answer is kinda, yes, no. Oklahoma is very loose with what it considers a good reason to divorce their spouse, okay? In a lot of states, Oklahoma is what's called a no-fault state, no-fault divorce state. Essentially meaning you can really divorce your husband or wife for any reason. Okay? So when I say yes, you still have to cite a reason, but the Oklahoma courts are very broad with this. Okay? The most common one is irreconcilable differences, right? This is the cover all no fault one, right? You don't have to establish that they've done anything wrong. You've just said, for whatever reason, I don't want to be with this person anymore. And that's okay. Oklahoma courts don't want to force people to stay with each other. Now, some of the examples of fault-based ones are these are fault-based reasons to divorce your spouse, okay? Some of these, and I'm going to be real brief with this since I'm trying to keep this down to a 3-minute video, are abandonment, adultery, impotency, impotency. Let's see, extreme cruelty, fraudulent marital contract, habitual drunkenness. That one's an old one. Gross negligence of spousal duties. Imprisonment for a felony, and insanity for 5 years that requires you to be committed to an asylum of some or an institution of some type. Now, typically, fault-based divorces aren't used in Oklahoma because they take longer, because it requires you to actually establish that there has been a fault, as opposed to irreconcilable differences, which most judges will just rubber stamp and be like, okay, that's cool. As I said, if you're going to divorce your spouse in Oklahoma, do you need a good reason? No, really don't. It could be really for any reason. Irreconcilable differences is plenty fine. Okay. If you want to speak to someone about potentially divorce services, I provide those. I do family law in addition to criminal law if you have any issues with those too. If you need to speak with an attorney, I would love to be that attorney. Once more, I'm Ty Smith. You can find me at theoklahomacityaattorney.com. You can also call my office at 405-888-5400, and I'd be glad to speak with you. I thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you.